And so for the last almost 40 years, sihek have been only in captivity, only in zoos, 20 some zoos in the mainland, also the Department of Ag facility in Manilao. I believe it was August 20, they were flown over from a facility in Kansas via California, Hawaii, and then down to Palmrya Atoll. They were able to take their first flights in almost 40 years. And so they had a big kind of plan to provide them with supplementary food. They were a little worried about them being able to feed themselves, having been only fed by zookeepers, for generations, like I said, but they didn't need any of that assistance. They were able to kind of instantaneously just pull on their genetic instincts, and they were able to, they never returned a single time for